Guys, what is up and how's it going? So basically, yeah, we already mounted the tires. Now we're gonna install the chain. Sprockets are mounted, tires are mounted, everything's cleaned up. Now I have to attempt to remove the old chain and then put the new one on. And I have this tool. I was trying to figure out how this chain tool that my friend gave me works. We'll see. I watched a couple videos and like how it's done, but basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get my Dremel and grind off one of these links just so I could take the old chain off, and let's go see if that works, and if not, we're gonna have to figure something out because I don't have a grinder. So alright, I changed up the bit. This is what I have now. So let's see if this one's gonna work. We kind of like did some damage with the other one, but it wasn't like abrasive enough. Alright guys, so if you can see, I pretty much got this thing flat right there. So now we're just gonna push it out with this tool and see if the pin just comes out. Alright, so if you can see, I got the chain tool. Just go closer. I have the pin aligned right there. I'm just gonna see if I can push this out now that I grinded it down. Alright, the pin is out. I just felt it. Look at that, guys. Boom, got the pin out. Here's, boom, chain is off, guys. Go right here and get rid of this old disgusting chain. Boom, look at that. Look how gross this one is. I'm gonna show you the new one in a sec, but this thing was rusty. Made the bike look old. And while we're waiting to get the right socket, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all the disgusting dirt off of there and degrease everything. So got the chain off. Look how it's so hot in here. Guys, check out, this is the old one versus the new one. Look how fresh and nice this gold new chain is. So nice. Guys, what is back? It's day 2 of working on the bike, putting the chain on. Camilla and Levi are here again helping me. They brought more tools because I have no tools. So now we have the chain ready. We have the sprockets on, everything, but we can't get the front sprocket off because we should have taken it off earlier. But what we're going to do is we're going to put the chain on, put everything on, and then I'm going to put it in gear, hold like the rear brake, and then see if we can break that bolt, but we don't have an impact, so. Did I get it?
No, we broke the screwdriver.
It broke the screwdriver?
Yep.
Look at that.
Yeah, hold on, back it out a little bit.
Oh god.
Other way. No.
Well, yeah, we broke the screwdriver. That's not working. Oh god. Hey, I don't know what to do. Let's put the wheel on.
Put the chain on.
A new one?
Yeah.
Let's feed that in there.
You'll see that later when he's editing it.
For real.
See what?
Yes.
Nothing.
Oh my god. I'm scared.
You should be.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you guys are sus. You want to put the wheel in?
Should we press that on there first?
No. It's easier to press on the sprocket.
Is it?
We haven't fully put it on yet, but we're going to try to break this nut like this. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on?
No, chain slip.
Is it going to slip? It's just slipping, though.
I'm gonna turn the wheel. Try it. No. Put it on.
Alright, we're gonna have to put it on. So now we got the chain on. Now we're gonna put the master link on. You got it? We have to lube up all these little washers, and then this thing, and then this thing. Everything has to be all like greased up. That's what we have. Here. Make sure you get it like all nice and lubed up. You should call her. That's funny. Alright, these two are on. So you put 2 O-rings on the inside and then 2 on the outside. So now we're gonna put the half link right here, the master link, whatever it's called. They're all greased up. Put the little rubber seals on there. I have to go straight on there. All right, now we gotta press the master link on. Which way does this go? This goes here.
That would go on the back.
And then this goes on the back. So now we're gonna just press it to set the seals. So this is what we're doing basically, so you can see we're just trying to press the links together right now. And then we're gonna crush the rivet pin after we do that here. All right, y'all, so look, so we pressed the master link on. It's all seated, it's not too tight, its chain still moves and flexes. Now we just have to crush these 2 pins and then use like a caliper to like, they should be like 5mm I think, and you look up the specs, but we're gonna crush those and the chain should be all good. Look how nice that thing looks. The gold chain, the new sprocket, new tires. So sexy, look at that. You. Alright guys, so we got the chain on. We're gonna try to break the front sprocket and see if that works. Why is it moving? Is the rear brake just slipping? Yes, dude. You might need this impact, bro. Alright, ready?
I think you broke this.
No, I didn't.
No.
One more time? Ready? No. That's on there. Hold on. Alright guys, so after many attempts of taking this front sprocket bolt off, we were unsuccessful, but now Levi got his torque wrench and we should be able to just smack that thing off. So he's gonna put in the crazy torque spec. We have all the torque now. Doesn't look too powerful, but we'll see how it is. Alright, ready? You wanna get the close-up real quick? Alright, let's see if this works, guys. Ready? You got it? Brake? Oh my god. And that's off just like that. That's all we just need. I'm gonna buy one of these tonight. But let me see this. Check this out. It's off and we're golden. So we'll get you guys later when we take this off, put the new sprocket on and pinch the chain on. So wow, that was 2 seconds. Oh my god, look at that. That's crazy. I need one of these, guys. I'm ordering one on Amazon tonight. Front sprocket is off. Alright guys, so here's the new Vortex sprocket. Boom. Let's see, compared to the old one, pretty much the same stuff, but this is what, steel? That's probably steel too. This one looks a little better. See how it slides on there? Boom. Slide it right on there, put the chain on there, crush washer on there. And then we're gonna put the nut on there. That's definitely on there now. Let's go. So now we're just gonna hammer the washer on the outside of the nut just so it holds the nut in place. What is it called? Like a lock washer or like a lock washer? But yeah, we're gonna just hammer the little edges on so it holds the nut in place, and we'll be all set. We can put everything on and then get the chain going. So on, we torque down this nut. We crimped the washer so it stays in place. Now Levi's putting on my rear wheel right now, so let's see. Look how good, guys, this gold chain. You can't even see it, but the gold with the blue looks freaking insane. Alright guys, so of course, like when working on bikes and cars, especially when you don't have the right tools, it's a nightmare. So far we have one good thing. Camilla put on the front sprocket cover. Everything looks super neat in here and everything's super nice, but we still don't have the right tools to crimp the master link and get the chain properly on, but yeah, hopefully we're gonna get it right. And always something, but hopefully next time I think I might just order a new chain tool or something and then we can get it right. But hopefully we can get this done so I can ride my bike again, because it's been a minute. Thanks guys again for helping, and I'll see you guys in the next one.